Will Crocs stock crash down at least 10% in about 10 days? Because today, April 1st, we detected some unusual trades that seem to suggest that. So in this video, we will analyze these unusual options being traded by a potential insider. As you can see here, on the options time and sales tape, at 12:52, these options expire April 12. These 130 strike puts, 1,800 and 1,200 for a total of 3,000 contracts. They're paying about $20 to $25 for each of these put options. Delta of 5. So why are they buying these put options so far out the money? Very, very unusual. Could this be an insider who knows something is going to happen to Crocs stock? April 12, we can see on the chain here, these 130 strike put options clearly opening trades with the volume of 3,000, greater than the open interest of just 8. We are simply following this trade, buying these put options for also about $25 each. Okay, so based on this analysis, you can see when we analyze this trade, it's clearly a bearish short position. Becomes profitable if the stock of Crocs goes down. Okay, this x-axis here on this graph represents the share price of Crocs, which is currently trading at 145. And on the y-axis here is the profit loss. Anything above this 0 here, if the lines are above it, it is a profit. If it is below, it is a loss. So you can also see here from the Greeks, we have a negative delta. So that is a bearish short position. But you can see here a very negative theta decay. That's what we mean by these are very out the money, very low probability of profit here. If you are interested in the higher probability of profit trades that we share on our website, make sure to go check it out. Okay, this is a low probability of profit, and that is why we simply follow the trade and use position sizing to just manage our risk. Okay, we don't want to spend a lot of time developing option strategies for these lower probability of profit trades in comparison to our trades that we share to our members only, because that's where we put most of our capital in trading. Okay, and when we take a look at Crocs, you can see that the break even for this trade is right here at the 130 price. Okay, at expiration April 12. So 130, if we look at this graph here, currently at 145. If we go to 130, you can see that we would have to drop down at least 10%. Okay, so that's what we mean by it. Does somebody know that something is going to happen to Crocs that would make it drop 10% by April 12th? Okay. Now, they could have shares of Crocs and just simply buying these put options to hedge their position. Regardless, they are spending the money to buy these put options for some reason, which is unusual because it is very out the money, very low probability of profit. Could they just be throwing money away? It's very strange. Okay, so that is why we monitor and we look at these unusual option activity to find out what some of these wealthy investors, potential insiders, are doing, because they have access to resources and information that we do not have. And then we can trade in the same direction as they do to also make money, because we know a lot of the rich are getting richer on Wall Street because of the resources and information they have to make better decisions on what stocks to trade, bullish or bearish. And that is what we do. We analyze the unusual option activity to find out what they are doing. If you're interested in our work, our analyses, make sure to go to our website. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think about Crocs? Do you know something is about to happen to Crocs? Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a wonderful day. Take care.